Today we have a problem, that is level difference between two inaccessible points. Before start this problem, we can see a theodolite and what is the depression angle and what is the elevation angle. First you know what is the depression angle and what is the elevation angle. Now the theodolite telescope is in horizontal position, horizontal line. From this posture we can read the C scale, because the horizontal circle, the main scale is C scale and the vernier scale is D scale. C scale and D scale. You can read readings from both scale, C scale and D scale. Mainly we read vertical angle in C scale. And C scale, if the telescope is in horizontal plane and the bubble tube is in level condition, the reading is 0 degree. This position reading is 0 degree, and this position reading is 90 degree, and this position also reading is 90 degree. From this position, when you look through a point little bit lower than the instrument position, then our looking position is like that. This type of reading we called as angle of depression. Angle of depression. And if we look through in high position, this type of reading is called as angle of elevation. This is angle of elevation and this is angle of depression. From this position we rotate the instrument 1 degree below, then you can read 1 degree, and we note this point 1 degree angle of depression, and this is 1 or 2 degree angle of elevation. Then you come to the point question. This is the picture, instrument station. We look through, if you look to this point, this should be angle of elevation, because the horizontal line is this, and the reading position is from this to this, the angle of elevation. And from this point you look to B, then the telescope is in downward direction, so that is angle of depression. Now we go to our problem. This is our problem. Level difference between two inaccessible points, because these 3 points are inaccessible. So yesterday we done a work with find out the distance between two inaccessible points, PQ. Today we continue this question with a level difference between two inaccessible points. We can select the same problem. The first method, first method is, yesterday we already make the solution for this problem, and that method included level difference between P and Q. So only the addition is we take the vertical reading also. You can see this picture. This is the point P, and on ground we erect another wooden peg and a nail, because the level difference, we want the level difference. At the same time the Q point is also like this, another point is there. So the problem is, we first we have the first station point is A, and we look, the additional reading is only say this there. We look through point P, and from there the P a nail is there, and in angle of depression mode, you got a nail in here and you got a reading from here, angle of depression reading, something like that. And the same time, from A, look to point Q, the bottom side of the ranging rod, there is erected another wooden peg and a nail, and look to the top of the nail, and we take another angle of depression at Q. You got two vertical reading is from A, and instrument change to instrument station B, and this distance, yesterday we take this distance is 6 meter, any distance you can select, and you take this reading for the calculation. This may be 6, 7, 8 or something like that, and shifted the instrument to B and look to P, take the horizontal reading as well as vertical reading. Vertical reading means you can see here angle of depression is there from B to angle of depression, and from B angle of depression of Q. Yesterday our problem is distance between two inaccessible points. Today the additional problem is distance between two inaccessible points plus level difference between two inaccessible points. You can solve this problem by using horizontal angle connections as well as vertical angle connections. From the horizontal angle solution, you can find out the distance between PQ, and from the vertical angle solution, you got the level at P and level at B. From these levels, we can Q. From these readings, you can find the difference between P and Q. That means the level difference, and you also have the horizontal distance, so you can find out the gradient also.